we close the video window messenger. So what's going on here? So when I'm making the call in a messenger app, Facebook Messenger, and when I'm entering this picture-in-picture mode where I just see the little pop-up in top right, and then I just want to go to some other apps, like just go to browse internet or another app. Very often this video window is just being closed automatically. Sometimes it works fine, so I can still browse some other stuff and be on the call, but very often I'm just seeing this message that we close the video window. So what to do? Like, it just means that your phone is low on operating memory. So if you have a bit older phone, iPhone, then this message will always be with you, because if you have like iPhone 12 or some older ones, they just have lower memory. So, but even then, so you need to just swipe it up so you see all apps, and then what you're doing, you're just swiping up all apps, just not the messenger but previous apps. You're just swiping them up, meaning you're closing them, and you need to close at least 5-10 other apps, and then go back to messenger. You don't need to restart the call, anything, and then video window should reappear. So the point is, just close all other active apps. You find them just by swiping up. You see which apps are active, and then you just close them, because then you are freeing up your kind of operating memory on iPhone, and then Facebook Messenger can reappear. So that's just what it is, basically. So that's the idea here. It worked for me. I'm using iPhone 14 Pro, so it's not like the super old phone. It's quite a new one with powerful memory and all of that. And I still quite often see this message. Even, for example, if I work in some heavy tool like iMovie, and then I opened like YouTube Studio, and then I opened Google Chrome, and then I making a call in like Facebook Messenger, then I will see this message that your window is closed. But then if I swipe up and close Chrome, iMovie, some other apps, like especially like these heavy apps, then this reappears. But yeah, for some reason, video calls in the Messenger are taking really a lot of your memory on the phone, so that's what it is.